Hello, you guys. Welcome to the Wise Woman Way. You're here with Elizabeth Lyde in our kitchen hut. Yes, indeed, the kitchen hut. We're surrounded by mud cloth. And some of you guys may wonder what this mud cloth is. Well, this is the print here of mud cloth. And mud cloth is a print design basically from Africa or in Africa. And this reminds me and make me think perhaps I'm in a little hut. So I call it the little kitchen hut. But anyway, my name is Elizabeth Lyde. I thank you guys for tuning in here. Today we had picked up some watermelons with the black seed in it. And we like to use the entire watermelon after eating the watermelon, the meat of the watermelon. We like to take the rinds and pickle them. Some of you guys may have seen some of the pickling that we did with our little cutie watermelons that we grew last year in our garden in Daddy Butter's backyard in North Haven, Connecticut. So listen, we're just taking some cucumber rinds and we're dicing them up, maybe 2 sizes of a quarter. And we're gonna do all of our rinds like that until we're through. And then we're gonna go ahead and start our pickling process. Now this time I'm going to show you a different way, the exact way my mom do hers, by putting her watermelon rinds into a pot, adding the vinegar. She uses the white vinegar, but I like the apple cider vinegar with the mother. But anyway, we're going to show you how we do it in our next video. So right now it's just cutting process, and the watermelon rinds are rinds which we had cut the watermelon out and diced. It's not like people ate from the watermelons or whatever. Even if people do and you thoroughly rinse it, it should be okay. But these are from us taking the meat of the watermelon out. So we're just going to finish here dicing them up so we can have some delicious pickled watermelon rinds. And when I tell you pickled watermelon rinds are delicious, you can definitely believe that. Okay, so here we go. Just going to continue to dice them up. See, they're thickly diced pickled watermelon rinds. Look at that, you guys. Okay, so we're going to finish this and we'll come back after we finish and put some water in it, just over the watermelon rinds, perhaps maybe in a bigger pot, but we have a long ways to go. So we're going to keep on moving and getting to that point where we can go ahead and start letting the rinds boil. Okay, you guys? So we don't even have to rinse this. We're going to go ahead and run water in it at the top here. And so this is what we're doing now. And we'll show you what it's looking like. Let's see, can we get it? Yep. Just simply run the water until you get to the top. And if you choose, you can rinse it, or if not, you can just boil just like that, like they say is better. If you're cooking chicken, and just put your chicken in and go ahead and marinate and everything. By the cooking process, it goes ahead and take out all the germs and everything. Okay, you guys, so the next step after this, of course, is to go ahead. Okay, we said we're going to let the water run just a little over the watermelon rinds. And there we have it. Next step is to take the pot on the stove And to begin the boiling process, we'll turn it up on high. And we will take a top and we will cover it. And once it boils for a while, then we'll go ahead and pour in our apple cider vinegar. And if you want, you can add agave syrup or either, what is it, pure grain brown sugar. Or whatever sweetener you choose. We prefer the agave, or you can even use maple syrup. But the most of the liquid that will be in here, once we drain the water, will be vinegar. And then from there, we just go ahead and put it into our jars and let it sit for a while. Okay, you guys, so we thank you for tuning in. And we have plenty of more rinds to cut up. Look at that. Nice watermelon rind. Look at nice and thick. And that's what you get when you get the watermelons with the black seeds in them. And you just cut it up and cut all your rinds up. Put it in a pot. You know, if you need to rinse. But go ahead and run the water just over the amount of watermelon rinds you have. And then let it boil for a while until it begins to soften. Not quite, but drain. Put your vinegar and whatever sweetener you're going to use in it, as well as your pickling seasoning. We're going to show you how to get to that point on the next video for this here pickling watermelons with the black seed. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like what we do, please press like, share, please subscribe, and share so other people can see our content, and also subscribe so we can get good ratings. You guys be well, be wise, and always think higher on this beautiful Sunday evening. Ashe.